Hi, what's up, how's it going? Today's video we are going to be designing Jotter, and I'm gonna reveal to you a new features that was embedded into CorelDraw 2022. It's a kind of timing. If you want to design, you are actually permitted to really time yourself with a timer in CorelDraw 2022. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's go on to launch Corel 2022. This is it. Double click. So let's wait a while for that to launch up, or you right click on the icon just like so, then so when it pops up, then you choose open. Automatically you're gonna have you are going to see your app running, loading. So wait a while for that to open up before we can be able to access all the features. So let's wait a while for that. Corel 2022 is actually a very creative application. It come up with something unique and all of that. There are so many differences in it. So right now as it is, what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and open if you have a file saved already on the system, you're actually gonna hit open. But if you don't have, if you want a fresh what's it called, a fresh file to be created by you, you just have to hit new. So let's just open what we've saved already. So this is it. So this is actually what I mean. So can you see it? Tax 1, this is the timing of it. So to activate this, if you don't have it activated on your new installed application, so right from here, so you just have to right click on CorelDraw taskbar. So right from here, so then you choose project timer. This is it, project timer. A whole lot of features around here I can see. So let's just hit project timer. Automatically we have it right here. So as this right now it's not on, so let's just put it on, then we start designing. So can you see that? Can you see that red this thing? So let's carry on. So right now let's go over it. We just have to be very creative about it. So let's go ahead and change the page to A5 with normal size of Jotter. So let's zoom down. So we're actually gonna make it very simple. So let's go on and double click on rectangle tool. So as you can see, we are having our timer right there, timing from start, and we're gonna see the end of our tutorial, the time we consume. Most definitely we're gonna really even see it right there, timed up. So right now let's go over and just bring the couple. So the background is gonna be gold. Let's put gold on that. Let's make the picture wider. Then let's go on and clip that into place. Put out key, select the picture, then adjust to fit in. Good. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to create a box just like so with the help of our rectangle tool. So what we're gonna be doing is to sample the color right from the body with the help of color eyedropper tool. They have this actually so let's go on and just make that darker color. Let's select the blue color, and let's go on, double click right here color palette pops up, then let's make the darkest color ever. Click on that, then go on to just have a shade of blue, just like so. Good, nice one. So let's go on and just set the outline to none by right clicking on that, then make a copy by let's squeeze it a bit, then right click when you get to destination to have it copy, paste. So let's set the outline of that to white. So let's zoom up, it's a bit tinier, so let's squeeze it a bit, then go on, hit on F12. So a dialog pops up, so let's make the outline 2. It's okay, good, nice one. So let's group, Ctrl G, then let's go on and power clip that into place. Good, put out key, select that, then adjust. So mind you, what we're going to be doing is to just make a copy of the background, then extract the content right there, delete the content, right click again, then locate what we call frame type, then hit on frame, remove frame. Let's power clip this into space, then hold out key, select that object, then you position it the way it's gonna be. Hold Ctrl key on keyboard, then tap on page down, automatically set behind. So let's make it wider a bit. So let's zoom up. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and have this fonts. Let's use Bodoni, hit Ctrl K to break into the pieces, then position this up. So let's go ahead and have this beneath, then let's make this all cap, the date all cap. Good. So center it all up. So right now let's bring their name, let's zoom up, so let's make it white. So what we're going to be doing now is to hit Ctrl K to break into the pieces, then let's change the font of this to Bridget Lily, widen it all up a bit, then let's go ahead and have this right drag on top of Kevin, then you choose copy or properties, automatically changes. So let's go on and have I think this is not nice, so let's use this font Kevin, Bridget Lily, bold. So let's move it closer to each other. Good, nice one. So what we're gonna be doing now is to set this, let's intersect it just like so. Then let's go on and change the font. I think that font is too bold. I prefer the set outline to white. Then let's go on. Good. So good. So let's go on and make that gold. Then likewise Kevin, good, nice one. So adjust it a bit, then let's group it, Ctrl G, then center it all up within. Go ahead and position this a bit down, then let's go ahead and have this a bit spacing up at the top, then let's center it all up. Shift key on your keyboard, then you select the background, release your mouse on your keyboard, then you hit on C and E. Hit on C to center it all up. Good, there you have that. So right now let's make a copy by just put your mouse to the tip of the object, then hold Ctrl key on keyboard, then you flip to the other side. When you get to the other side, you right click, automatically it copy paste, then let's delete this. So what we're gonna have at the back is the second picture. So let's create the box just like so, then let's go on and make that white, then copy in Word just like so, set the outline of that to blue, then go ahead, hit F12, the dialog box pops up, then let's make that 7. Go ahead and hit OK. Good, nice one. So let's squeeze this a bit. Good. So let's power clip the picture. Good. Put out key, select the picture, then make it wider. Good. So let's lighten it all up. Go on to adjust, then hit on tone curve. Good. Reset. Then let's lighten it all up a bit. That's nice. It's okay. Good. So we're gonna have to really change the background of that to gold. Nice one. So let's go on and have a copy of the text to the back. Then we type thanks for coming. So let's squeeze it, then hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces, then reduce this a bit, move this closer. Good. Set the outline to black, Ctrl G to group it all up, center it all up. Nice one. Good. Should that be at the top? I think it will be nice right here. Good. So this is actually what we've been designing so far. This is the Jotter. So let's go on by doing the mock-up. So let's put a spiral at the edge of it. So let's go ahead to create a circle right there with the help of what's it called, ellipse tool. Zoom up. So let's create an object on top of that, just like so. So let's make that gray. Good. Center it all up. Good. A bit. So go ahead and adjust it a bit, then copy downward by holding up Ctrl key on keyboard, then you right click when you get your destination. So release your mouse, then you hold Ctrl key down, then hit on R for a repeat of that task. So let's zoom down and see it. Ctrl R. Good. Nice one. So make a copy of that, flip it, right click when you get to destination, automatically copy paste, then zoom up. Good. Nice one. So let's go on group, then apply shadow. Good. So let's go on to object, break drop shadow apart. After that it's broken, then go ahead, group it all up. So here we come to the end tutorial. Can you see the end result of what we'll be designing so far? Can you see how simple and classic it is? So and can we see our timing? What we've used so far is 10 minutes at 21 seconds. So let's go on and pause it. So this is the time we use so far. Can you see it right here? Can you see the time task 1? So this is the minute that we use, minute and 21 seconds at 25 seconds. So here we come to the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. So I always say my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.